Additional tips for efficient swimming. Now that we've covered the basics of swimming, let's explore a few additional tips to help you swim more efficiently and build endurance. First, focus on your stroke technique. It's easy to make the mistake of overexerting yourself, but smooth, controlled strokes will help you swim faster and more efficiently. Keep your movements fluid, with minimal splashing, and focus on long, deliberate strokes. Next, practice breathing rhythmically. Consistency is key, so make sure your breathing and strokes are well synchronized. If you're struggling, take a break and focus on the fundamentals before you continue. Finally, work on building your stamina. Swimming is a full-body workout, so start with shorter sessions and gradually increase your time and intensity as you get stronger. With patience and consistent practice, you'll improve your technique and endurance, and soon swimming will feel effortless. Remember, swimming is a skill that improves with regular practice. Keep refining your technique, stay relaxed, and focus on your breathing, and you'll be swimming like a pro in no time. Happy swimming!